As you know, the reels or posts that you like or don't like on Instagram affect your algorithm, and it might cause Instagram to show you things that maybe you like or you don't like. Also, what your friends or family like on Instagram affects the posts or reels that you might see on your Explore. In this video, I'm going to help you change the suggested reels on Instagram. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and I head over to the Reels tab. And as you can see, I have some reels down here. It says not interested or interested. So just by tapping on that, you can say, you can actually tell Instagram whether you like something or you don't. And also, there's one more way, because right now it doesn't say interested or not interested here. So I'm going to tap on these three dots at the top bottom corner. And from this menu, I have the option to say not interested. You can also see why you're seeing this post and also manage content preferences or see your algorithm. If I tap on see your algorithm, this is what Instagram will tell me what you want to see more of: travel, blogger, entrepreneurship, social media marketing. So these are the things that I am interested in. If I tap on add, I can type some more topics that I'm genuinely interested in. And here it says what you want to see less of. So if you have something in mind, maybe I'm going on a diet and I don't want to see more reels or posts about food. So I might type food here, or fast food, or sweets, or whatever that you don't want to see any more of among your Instagram reels. There's also one more option, manage content preferences. As you can see, if I tap on your algorithm, again, it will take me to the same place as before. So as you can see, I can tap on interested or not interested, specific words and phrases, everything like that. You can even reset suggested content, so it will be like brand new, and it's like Instagram has no idea whatsoever what you like or don't like. As you just saw, Instagram allows you to make changes to the suggested reels and posts easily. So make sure you use that feature. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.